Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another great recipe which is Jhane ko momo or tadka momo. Before starting the recipe, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get all yummy recipes. So let's start the recipe. For that, first I'm gonna make momo ko chola achar. Here in a pan, add a little bit oil, then add some ginger sliced, and then 5 cloves of garlic, and add dry chili. Then add half teaspoon Sichuan pepper or Timur. Then 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix it everything. Now I'm gonna add 2 medium-sized chopped tomato. Add salt as per the taste. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander powder. Add half teaspoon red chili powder and mix it everything. Add some coriander leaves and then cook everything for 1 minute. This is ready, so I'll switch off the flame and let it be cooled down. So it's cool now. I'm going to transfer this in a blender. So in the same jar, I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water. Then add some lemon juice. And blend this. Now our momo ko achar is ready. So I'm gonna transfer this in a bowl. And in this plate, I'm gonna add this steamed momo. If you need the recipe for steamed momo, I have shared the recipe in a description below. So I have added the momo in this plate. So I'm gonna pour some momo chutney on top of it. This is the best way of using a leftover momo. Then add some spring onion, some coriander leaves just to garnish this. Again, in another pan, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Add some dry chilies. This is ready, so I'm going to pour this on top of this momo. So now our Jhane ko momo is ready and looks really yummy. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.